Hi guys! For everyone who's already a member of the Fragrance Fam, welcome back. And for those of you that are new, my name is Maddie and I'm so happy to have you guys here in the AFI Project Lab. You might remember the mini car reed diffusers that we made a little while ago. They were just so simple to make and so effective, I just wanted to make some more just to showcase our version of Bath & Body Works Baja Cactus Blossom Fragrance Oil. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So to make things super easy, I was able to grab all of the ingredients I needed besides the bottles right here at AFI. If you need to get your hands on some reed diffusing base, you can look no further than our web store. You can buy it alongside with all of your favorite fragrances and it works great. The diffusers I make with it always come out smelling super strong and they last a super long time, which is what we want. Go ahead and measure out enough of it for 5 8-milliliter bottles. Because these bottles are so tiny, I suggest using a 50-50 ratio of fragrance to reed diffuser base. So that means I'll need 20 milliliters of base and 20 milliliters of fragrance oil, which I have all right here. Our star of the show for today is our version of the Baja Cactus Blossom by Bath & Body Works. Because it has notes of greenery, coconuts, and sandalwood, I think it will be great for freshening up your home, office, and of course, the car. Mix the base and fragrance oil together in a beaker and they'll blend together nicely with no need for emulsifying. Screw the caps off the diffuser bottles, which I've already done so, and then we can fill them up with the help of the mini funnel, cap them back up, and that's all there is to it. If you want to make these for yourself, you can find these mini diffuser bottles and many others like them on Amazon. And of course, don't forget to pick up some of our reed diffusing base, this fragrance, and thousands of others on our web store. Please leave a comment down below to let me know what you thought of this project and if there's anything else you'd like to see us make in the future. Get some of our best-selling fragrance oils for 10% off using one of the weekly discount codes we send out in our amazing newsletter subscribers. And of course, go ahead, let's become a member of the Fragrance Fam before you click off this video by leaving a like, subscribing, and ringing that bell icon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Maddie, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye, guys.